All right, if I beat you, would you jump off the roof?
I'll do that. I just got my hair done, but I'll do it.
Oh, he did it.
Hi, I'm Baylen Levine, and I can name every Lil Yachty song in the books. Peekaboo. Boom. Who won the smoke? Range Rover Short Short. Black Jesus.
Recently I did a TikTok where I guessed random Yachty songs and everyone thought I faked it. So now we have Yachty right here. And just to prove to you my knowledge of his songs, we'll be shuffling them and seeing who guesses it first. Should we do like something if someone wins? What's some crazy shit we could do?
I think it dares. You can boot me under my song.
No doubt. Like 100% in my mind, I got it. Think you can jump off the roof into the pool? You got any nasty shit we could eat? Something?
I got the chip. You want to do the one chip challenge?
Oh, the hot shit? All right, let's do it. Is it that bad? You'll eat it again?
No.
So what if I beat you?
I don't know.
All right, if I beat you, would you jump off the roof?
I'll do that. I just got my hair done, but I'll do it.
All right, if I beat you, you jumped off the roof. If I lose, which I won't, I'll eat some hot chip. We could do 2 rounds. We could do Spotify, then we could do SoundCloud.
Right.
Check my playlist, everything, level 2, nothing to prove, level 3, and then all the singles and shit. See, people are gonna say I'm cheating if it's my playlist. You know what I mean? 10 hours. All right, let's go. Let's do it.
That is psycho.
3, 2, 1. Ice try.
Wait, is it the fastest to say it?
Yeah, whoever gets it first.
Yeah, but you just speak faster. But I know the song too.
What do you mean speak faster?
That's right.
That was completely fair.
If you're pressing play, it's like you have a faster reflex.
But that's part of it. Like I know the song quicker.
Yeah, but if you get to press play, it's like you hear it faster than me.
Okay, you press play then. Does that count? Restart?
Yeah.
Count me in.
Oh my god.
I told you I'm a beast. I don't fuck around, dude.
He didn't give you time. 2 balls.
Fuck. All right, 1-1. Yeah.
We got London on the train.
Put it away.
Fuck, dude! All right, 2-1.
Total don't wait for
Oh, dinner time! Yes, bitch! Go crazy, go stupid!
Stop.
I got it. Go crazy, go stupid.
Alright, cool.
Nikki!
God damn.
Let's go. I'm an animal, dude. I'm an animal. Magic and Hamptons. Magic and the Hamptons. Hamptons. Let's go. 4? 5.
That was not 5. That was not 5.
No, but we didn't count the first one.
Okay.
So 4, 2?
Yeah.
All right.
That was me.
All right, whatever.
Oh, you are good.
I'm telling you, dude. Menace! Yes, bitch! Menace.
Damn. Alright.
Pardon me. Him?
Yeah.
Young Dumb Broke. Remix. Back in high school, bro, it was so
I'm
emotional.
about to say remix, you got it though.
Hey, Julie.
See, it's so crazy. I don't know this version, so you got it. The original version.
Oh, there was an original?
Yeah, it doesn't sound like that. It doesn't start like that, but.
We don't have to better.
Better.
I just said better.
He didn't say anything. He didn't say anything.
Then run it back. Literally run it back. We don't have to better.
Better. He didn't say anything.
You know what? I'll give it to him. Because I know. I did say something, bro.
Y'all, did he say something? I know for a fact he didn't say any words.
You'll see. We'll see it. We'll see it. Moving up.
What'd you say?
Moving up. It's my favorite. Beautiful.
That's not
Beautiful.
even getting that recognition. Look at that song.
Do not disturb.
Damn.
Knew by the producer tag.
The song didn't even start.
Right? Mixtape.
See, I don't listen to these songs.
But you made them. Oh, it is?
Yeah.
What'd I say?
That was killer.
What'd I say? I'm not cocky, but with Yachty songs,
Bro,
got it in the bag.
Aren't even playing.
All right, I'm swiping.
Yeah, you
All right.
Except first.
No, Terminator.
But I said.
But you didn't say the name.
But technically.
All right, that cancels out.
That one doesn't count.
All right, that cancels out. 0-0. No idea.
Oh, this is a freestyle. This is free Reed freestyle.
No clue.
Free Lord, yeah.
All right, you got it. 1. Dude, I make it fuck now, dude. Chris Brown. Chris Brown, Best Life.
Yo, bro.
Not even out. Not even out.
This isn't a real song. This isn't real.
So does that count?
Yeah.
All right, 1-1,
I
1-1.
don't know how you knew that.
I'm a beast, I told you. No clue. I didn't even know my shit. In my defense, I'm a Spotify guy, so.
I've been balling since I was like 7. Freaking,
Yeah, balling. Sad.
But technically, do you get that though?
We're doing song names. Well, I'm so confident we can cancel it out. Actually, I'm not really confident in SoundCloud, to be honest. These are like fucking 2012 shit, dude.
All over the place.
This is before my time.
Before my time.
All right, so does that count? I said sad, yeah. Thames.
I said, fuck with him, I'm way too picky. I just put the pound of lean on all my. This means,
no clue. There should be a time limit or something, bro. This shit's unfair. He's literally waiting for the chorus.
Nah, there's no chorus. It's just freestyle.
That is not you, is it? Oh, I looked. Fuck.
This is on Summer Songs 1.
I see.
Summer Songs 1 has Minnesota, Night.
That is cheap as fuck. You're literally going through the track list. That does not count. Fuck that, dude.
I can't remember. What's it called?
Come up.
Come up.
Dirty Mouth.
$2.
Waiting for the chorus,
I
bro.
said before the chorus. The intro.
Give me my respect, bitch.
No, but technically.
Okay, no. Time out.
I said that first.
No. But you got intro, I gotta give him my respect.
Yeah, but I said intro first.
But technically, is that the name of the song?
Technically, if it was to get certified.
All right, fuck it. 4-4. Fuck it. Never switch up. Beautiful. Masterpiece.
Great.
Art.
Great song.
Why?
I've heard this song in years.
So good. Good day. Moments of time. So I'm telling you, when it's summer songs to Teenage Emotions.
You came up and sung that one on stage.
No, it was Made of Glass.
Made of Glass.
Isn't that crazy? I got up on stage with him my junior year of high school. Now we're sitting here at his house.
Different.
Yeah.
Completely.
That was crazy. That's the night when I was like, fuck, I have to get famous. I remember coming down, everyone came up to me and all that shit. It's like, fuck. Archo. Damn it, I cleared in water. Let's go hide in your daughter. Baby daddy. I'm proud of myself, dude, honestly. And the SoundCloud had me a little scared, not gonna lie. I really thought that was gonna fuck me up. Oh my gosh. Imagine eat shit. You gotta run, bro. Spider-Man it.
Just hit that bitch, huh?
Go for it, don't even look. Let's go, just go. Oh, he did it. Bro, that shit was close.
This shit cold.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, this shit freezing.
He did it though.
It's so cold.
I'ma make it happen. I'ma make it happen, mama. Make it happen.
All right, me and Lucas are jumping because we can't be pussies. Boats behind the camera.
Yeah. Two little white boys jumping in the water. Two little white boys jumping in the water. One little white boy. My toes. My toes. My toes. That one fell off. It's crawling back though. Oh. Baylen. Don't even think about it. Oh, friendship. Didn't need your hand, sucker. Just hit it.
Oh, it's like right here? Bro, this shit is high.
Yeah, fucker.
Fuck, dude. I was talking shit down there. Bro, now I get it. Now I get it.
Just take it.
Bitch. Oh, fuck.
Oh, fuck. It's smooth, though.
That was nice. Damn, dude. Fuck! Alright, fuck it. If I die, I die at Yachty's house.
Oh! It's fucking lit! Let's go! Ah!
Dude, you were right. Like, up there it's so much worse. And then
Yeah.
you come down.
I know.
Shit.
Just jumped off the house. I was not bitching for no reason.
Yeah, you weren't. I thought it was, but.
I lost the bet. He clearly can sing. Not sing, but name Yachty songs faster. I don't know if he can name more, but he can do them faster. Until the next time.
The keys, baby, I got the keys. I got the keys, baby, I got the keys.